Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Causal AI, uncovering why things happen, not just what happens, moving beyond simple correlation to understand the true causes behind events. Imagine AI as a super smart fortune teller. It looks at tons of past data and says, based on what I've seen, I predict X will happen next. This is amazing for things like recommending movies or predicting stock prices. But what if we don't just want to know what will happen, but why it will happen? This is where simple AI hits a wall. Most AI tells us what, but struggles with why. As a developer, if you only know what, your solutions might be built on shaky ground. You might notice that when ice cream sales go up, shark attacks also tend to go up. This is a asterisk correlation, two things moving together. But does buying ice cream cause sharks to attack? Of course not. The real reason is likely summer. More people buy ice cream in summer, and more people swim, and thus encounter sharks in summer. Simple AI often finds these correlations, but it can't tell you the underlying cause. From a developer's perspective, if you build a system based only on correlation, you might try to reduce shark attacks by banning ice cream, which clearly won't work. As developers, we don't just want to asterisk observe things. We want to asterisk build solutions and make things better. If your AI tells you, users who see ad A tend to buy product B, that's useful. But what if product B was already popular, and ad A just happened to be shown to people already interested? If you don't know the true cause, you might waste money on an ineffective ad A, or miss the real driver. To truly optimize an app, a website, or a business process, we need to understand the levers. What can we change that will cause a desired outcome? This is where Causal AI comes in. Think of Causal AI not just as a fortune teller, but as a brilliant detective. It doesn't just observe coincidences, correlations. It actively tries to figure out the chain of events, what truly causes what. It wants to answer questions like, did turning on this new feature actually cause user engagement to increase? Or was it something else happening at the same time? For developers, Causal AI helps us design systems that not only predict but also explain why something will happen, empowering us to make targeted, effective changes. In science, to figure out cause and effect, we run experiments. We change one thing, like giving a drug to one group and a placebo to another, and see the asterisk direct impact. Causal AI tries to do something similar. Even without running a physical experiment, it uses advanced mathematical and statistical techniques to tease apart different factors in existing data. It asks, if I hypothetically intervened or changed X, what would be the asterisk direct impact on Y? Isolating all other influences? This helps developers understand the true impact of their design choices or features in their software. Imagine building recommendation engines. Asterisk instead of people who bought X also bought Y. Correlation. Causal AI can suggest buying X causes an increased likelihood of buying Y, so we should highlight X more. Personalized learning. Asterisk why does one teaching method work better for a student than another? Causal AI helps identify the most effective educational interventions. Optimizing user experience. Asterisk did changing the button color actually cause more clicks? Or was it a promotion running at the same time? Causal AI helps you know which UI changes truly move the needle. As a developer, this means building AI that is not just predictive, but prescriptive, telling you not just what will happen, but what to do to make something happen. Understanding Causal AI equips you to build AI systems that are more powerful, transparent, and trustworthy. You'll move beyond just finding patterns to truly understanding the mechanics of the world your AI is operating in. This allows you to create features that genuinely solve problems, make informed business decisions, and avoid costly mistakes based on mere coincidence. The future of impactful AI lies in uncovering the why. And as a developer, you're at the forefront of designing these intelligent, explanatory systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.